In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and manage assets in Cinema 4D 2023. By the end, you'll feel confident organizing your files with the Asset Browser, bringing new assets into your library, and keeping everything synced across multiple computers, plus a quick look at importing standard 3D formats through the File menu. Let's start with the big picture. The Asset Browser is your central hub for organizing everything you use in Cinema 4D: models, materials, textures, presets. It groups these items into databases. Think of a database as a neatly labeled container for related assets. This structure keeps your work tidy, makes assets easy to find, and helps you reuse them across projects without digging through folders. To set up your own library, create a new database in the Asset Browser. Give it a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later, and choose a location on your drive that you can easily access. Once you've created the database, moving assets into it is straightforward. You can drag files directly into the Asset Browser window to add them, or you can drag them specifically into your new database so everything lands in the right place. Keeping related items together here, like models with their textures, helps you avoid broken links and speeds up your workflow. When you're adding assets, desde assets, be deliberate with how you group content. Consistent naming and a logical folder structure go a long way toward making your library searchable and scalable. Over time, this will save you countless clicks when you're assembling new scenes. If you work across multiple computers or collaborate with others, you can take your database with you. The database is just a folder under the hood, so you can share it over a network or copy it to other machines. If you're on a team, a shared network location ensures everyone is pulling from the same source. If you're working solo across several devices, copying the database folder keeps your assets consistent from one system to another. Just maintain the same folder location each time to avoid confusion. Finally, for general file importing, like bringing in a model someone sent you, use File Open. Cinema 4D supports common formats such as OBJ and FBX, so opening those files will bring the geometry into your scene. This is ideal for one-off imports that don't need to live in your Asset Browser library. That's it. With a clean database, simple import methods, and a shareable setup, your Cinema 4D assets stay organized, portable, and ready to use.